Hey everyone, and welcome to Maggie's Meals from Melissa's. Today, we're gonna be faking some bacon. That's right, today we're gonna be making a vegan-friendly BLT sandwich using some delicious carrot bacon. All right, so here is our marinade. I'm gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Next up, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Now, this is what really gives the carrot bacon that smoky bacon flavor, but a little bit goes a long way. A 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And finally, a little bit of black pepper. Make sure our ingredients are all combined. This smells delicious and smoky. Now we're gonna put that aside and prepare our carrots. All right, I have some beautiful large Melissa's carrots here. Now I'm just gonna use a vegetable peeler and shave them into thin strips that look sort of like bacon. Now I've got a good amount of these thin, delicious carrot strips. I'm gonna place them in our marinade. Make sure all the strips are coated. Now set these aside and let them marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. And while that's happening, let's preheat our air fryer to 380, or if you're using an oven, preheat it to 350. I sprayed my air fryer basket with a little bit of non-stick cooking oil, and now I'm just gonna lay some of these carrot strips flat at the bottom in an even layer. These take somewhere between 3 and 6 minutes at 380 in the air fryer. Kind of depends how thick the carrot slices are. If you're cooking in the oven, cook at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes, but for both the air fryer and the oven, keep an eye on them. Make sure they're not burning. They're gonna crisp up more though when they come out. Just got some of my carrot bacon out of the air fryer. Let it sit for a couple minutes till it crisps up, nice and crispy. Just gonna take some toasted bread, some vegan mayo, now a layer of iceberg lettuce, our tomato slices, and last but not least, some delicious carrot bacon. There we have it, a vegan BLT, a CBLT. Let's cut it up and see how it looks. Ooh, nice crunch. Looks delicious. And now the best part. Let's see how it tastes. So good. Now I'm gonna eat the rest of this and I'll see you next time.